double X to the O Lex. Hey guys, it's me Lex. And today I'm going to be trying to attempt to do makeup. And can you guess who I'm recreating their style from? And if you guessed it, yes, Ariana Grande. So what I have here, Tartelette and Bloom eyeshadow palette. So yeah, it looks really pretty and it smells really good. It really smells like chocolate. Like, I can smell it from that one there. It has its own mirror, so I'm not going to be using the viewfinder. I'm going to be using this because it's like way closer since I'd have to go, whoa, you know? So I have the palette, the eyeshadow palette, the brush, which it has like a thick brush right here, like a big brush, and a tiny small brush. And then I have eyeliner. She usually has black eyeliner, but my mom only has brown. And then I have mascara. So yeah, this is what I have. Yeah. And then my hair, yes, I know, it looks awesome. It goes. That's all she does. Okay. At least that's what she does in this picture. So let's get this started. And this is actually my first attempt doing makeup. So let's do this thing. Smarty Pants. I'm going to be using Smarty Pants. They have weird names. But yeah. Using that one. No, wait. No, I don't know what it is. Okay. Oh yeah, this is totally my color. Okay, yeah. I'm doing good so far. Is this what people do? Is this how you do makeup? I'm so bad at this. It smells like chocolate. Oh, sorry guys, you're supposed to be seeing me, watching me do this. Just do this, right? If I just do that, looks good so far. I saw that dust. Okay, doing this. I feel like I'm putting way too much on. Is there a thing that's too much makeup? I'm so new at this. So she has it like up here. Like right there. I messed it up, guys. Now let's do this. Oh, and Jesus. We've done the eyeshadow. Here's the final product. Now we gotta put on the mascara and the eyeliner. So let's do the eyeliner first. I think that's the order. I'm not sure, but she does have eyeliner. She does have eyeliner, but it's like black. I've never done eyeliner before. God. Oh my god. Hopefully this comes off. Let's pray. It does not come off. Okay, let me go get some water. No, wait. I think it got smeared a little because I closed, I cringed. Weird to talk with my eyes closed and talking to you guys. Comment down below how I'm doing so far. Oh no, here's my mascara. See? I don't know how to use this. I didn't try once, but like, I don't know. Do I close the eyes or just go? What do I do? I just didn't. Finished. It's my finished look. Mascara and everything. So anyways, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.